Future Conditional Type 3. It is used to show the impossible cause and result in the past. We start from the result and then the cause. The cause is, if I had money, this is penyebab. And then the result, akibat, I would have bought a new handphone. This had happened in the past. Since we cannot or we couldn't change the fact in the past, so this sentence would be impossible to be realized. It means that I didn't buy a new handphone in the past and because I didn't have any money in the past. So once again, penyebab, the cause is if I had money. Penyebab, akibatnya saya akan membeli sebuah handphone baru. I would have bought a new handphone. We use perfect and past perfect. You see past perfect, had plus verb 3. This is a past perfect. And then this is a past perfect. And for the result is we use past future perfect, would have verb 3. Once again, the cause penyebab jika saya telah punya uang di masa lalu. Akibatnya saya akan telah membeli sebuah handphone baru. Here, I is the subject, would come from the modal, have bought come from the perfect, a new handphone is the object. If is a conjunction, I come from subject, had come from formula, had the second come from past participle verb 3, and then money is the object. So this is a future conditional type 3 formula. More examples about the conditional formula 3 or type 3. This time main sentence leads. I would have bought a new handphone if I had money. You see, from real formula 1, we change to word formula 2, and then we change to would have verb 3, would perfect formula 3. And then from formula 1, we use a simple present have. Formula 2, we change to be past tense had. And formula 3, we change to be a past participle had. I would have bought a new handphone if I had money. I would have eaten the meal if you had been. You would have eaten the meal if you had been hungry. He would have done if he had wanted it. She would have slept if she had been sleepy. It would have beaten you if you had touched it. We would have traveled to Bali if he had got the ticket. You would have called him if you had known his handphone number. They would have cooked if they had the ingredients. So, but the fact is in the past they didn't have all of this. That's why they didn't do anything. This is just pengandaian, imagery sentences. For this part, the main sentence leads. It means the mother or the main sentence is put in the first position. More example about the future conditional type 3 or formula 3. This time the subordinate sentence or the baby sentence lead. It means that the subordinate sentence or the baby sentence are put in the first position. The characteristic is we start by using the conjunction if. And then we have the comma. Once again, comma show from where until where the baby sentence or the subordinate sentence are. Here, if I had money is the baby sentence from if until the comma. It is the subordinates or baby sentence. Then starting from subject I would have bought a new handphone. It is the mother sentence. If I had money, I would have bought a new handphone. If you had been hungry, you would have eaten the meal. If he had wanted it, he would have done. If she had been sleepy, she would have slept. If you have touched it, it would have beaten you. If we had got the ticket, we would have traveled to Bali. If you had known his handphone number, you would have called him. So once again, these are all the future conditional type 3 or formula 3. So in formula, starting from formula 2 until formula 3, they are all fake. They are not real. We couldn't realize it, and we can't change the fact in the past. So which one is real? Only formula 1. We can realize it in the future.